Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. So I know it's a little bit late for an advent calendar, but back in December, Baby Bat Beauty was selling these. And the artwork is absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, it's a beauty advent calendar, which is right up my alley. So today I'll be unboxing this and showing you what's inside. So I'm not actually sure what's inside the advent calendar, but they're no longer stocking it anyway. However, if you like anything that's inside the box, it may be available on their website and you can use the code tashxglam, which I'll just put a little thing there, and get yourself 20% off your entire cart. I highly recommend their liquid lipsticks. I'm not actually wearing one of them today. I'm wearing another indie brand, well, two sort of indie brands. One's more of a boutique brand. I'm wearing the Black Rose Cosmetics Beelzebub liquid lipstick, and I've just topped it over with Cheeky Bits Official Mirror Me Gloss. And this gloss works amazing over any liquid to matte lipstick. So I highly recommend checking them out as well. I will leave a link down below to their website. Let's get on with unboxing this and see what's inside. So, in lucky door number 1. I feel so bad for ripping this. Ooh, okay. So in door number 1, we have Ether. Okay, it's so cute. Look at the little bat. Hopefully that's showing up. So I'm going to put this in my little drawer where I keep all my little loose eyeshadows and highlighters and stuff like that. What's in day 2? So in day number 2 we have something green. I love the color green. It's the Majestic Melon lip scrub. So what does it smell like? Ooh. It smells very melony, like, it smells really nice. So I'll be using this. And for now, I can go and join all my other lip scrubs. Day number 3. So this is called Wish Upon a Star. So it looks like this, nice purpley color. Okay, day 4. I know what this is. This was part of the Halloween collection, I think. It's a gorgeous orange and gold glitter. So Pumpkin Patch is a really gorgeous orangey yellowy glitter, but I've already got one, so I'm going to put that in my duplicate straw, and who knows, one day I might just use it or give it away. Okay, day number 5. Judging by the shape of this, I'm gonna guess it's a lipstick. It is. It's a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Radioactive. I like that. I'm gonna guess that's a brownie sort of color, but don't quote me on that. Ooh. I reckon that would look nice as a topper. Like topped over, maybe Radioactive, and just a little bit in the center. So next we have day 7. I love opening packages like this. Like, I love mysteries. Another matte liquid lipstick. This one's in the shade Spiked Apple Cider. I've seen a lot of swatches of this on Baby Bat Beauty's Instagram, and I've been a little obsessed. So it's another orangey shade, and that's it there. So it makes me think of a jack-o'-lantern sort of pumpkin, and it is cute. Now let's open day 8. And we have another liquid, matte liquid lipstick in the shade Clairvoyant. Clairvoyant. Never been able to say that word properly. Ooh. This is gorgeous. This is such a gorgeous colour. So it's a nice fuchsia sort of colour, as you can see. So now for day 9. What's inside day 9? I think this might be another lip scrub. Come out. It's so tight. Got it. So this one is the lip scrub in Pina Colada Paradise. I need to smell this because I like pina coladas. I'm getting caught in the rain. Oh my god. Okay, new favorite lip scrub scent is here. This is amazing. That smells so good. Okay, number 10. Ooh, it's a highlighter. And it's called Pixie Dust. And this is what it looks like on the inside. If it wants to pick up my camera. Day 11. Ooh, I think it might be another highlighter. So this one's called French Kiss. Peachy, pinky tone. So the very last day would be day 12. And I'm sad to open it because that means the mystery's all over. Ah well, let's open it and see what we got. Ooh, 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 ooh. So this is a glitter that I'm sure one of my best friends would go absolutely crazy over. It was a really nice red, but my camera's not really picking it up too well. It's called Fireside and it is stunning. I really like it. And I need to play with more glitter. Like, I've just got so much glitter in my life and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Like, I love glitter, but when do you draw the line between too much and not enough? Or the right amount? I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Did you pick up this calendar by any chance? And if you did you get the same stuff as me? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!